Today I want to talk about the various grip options you have available for Canon EOS 1 film cameras. The EOS 1, EOS 1N, and EOS 1V, and the EOS 3 all share the same grip system, so they're all interchangeable. The standard grip is what they call the GR1. Actually GRE1, and it fits on. It's have a nice compact form. The battery fits inside here, and you screw it on, and the battery compartment forms part of the grip. This is also a GRE1, but early ones didn't have this little gray tab that helps get the battery out. This is the later GRE2. It came with the EOS 3 and the EOS 1V. It has a little door, makes it kind of a waterproof type system. If you're shopping for one of these on eBay, you can sometimes find that they'll be advertising a GRE1 as a GRE2. They often come with this little cover that snaps on to protect it when it's not in use. There's a slot here for the cap that goes on the bottom when you put on a power drive grip. Sometimes you can buy a GRE1 or GRE2 with the cover and with the little cover in place. The next step up is the battery pack BPE1. It fits on the cameras, and it gives a larger grip area, and it uses 4 AA batteries. Oh, I should also point out that this camera, this grip also is able to use the 2 CR5 battery in addition to the 4 AA's. So you have a choice. And there's a switch on the bottom that allows you to change from the AA's to the 2 CR5 battery. I like this particular grip because it's not as heavy as the larger Power Drive Booster E1 or the Power Drive Booster E2, which use 8 AA batteries. So it gives a nice feel to the camera without adding a lot of weight. The only disadvantage is it doesn't have a shutter button for the vertical portrait mode. The larger PBE2 and PBE1 have more controls for shutter button and also autofocus point selection and various other things. The PBE2 is also available with the nickel metal hydride battery pack called the NPE2. When you combine that battery pack with a EOS 1V, you get the 10 frames per second. The drive mode, it's got single shot low, high, and super fast.